How to fix login error in Alinma application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem on the application or on the website, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet errors. However, if you are facing any other kinds of problem during login, you can go to your settings, tap on general and tap on iPhone storage. Here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Alinma Pay application and tap on Alinma Pay. After that, you want to tap on offload app and tap on offload app again. Tap on reinstall application, and what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of login error. However, if you do face any kinds of problem after this, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.